Hey queens, and shout out to my kings too. Welcome back to Nabila Rain. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I pack my Seamoss. This was the first ever time that I packed Seamoss, so this video is gonna kind of take you along with me figuring it all out. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely comment down below and let me know. I hope that you enjoy, and I hope to see y'all next time. Okay, so I'm about to pack an order, and this order is a Seamoss order, and it's my first Seamoss order that is getting shipped to another state or being shipped at all. Because if you don't know, Seamoss is supposed to be refrigerated and it's supposed to stay cool. So I always would just hand deliver, so I would do local orders in Philly because you know that's where I am. However, well, I'm in the general vicinity, but however, like, I didn't know how to ship it in a different way. So this is gonna be my first order to another state, and it's going to be in Chicago. Hey Deanna, thank you so much for like giving me like this challenge and pushing my business forward. So now it's gonna be available nationwide, inshallah, if it all works out. So I'm going to take y'all through the process of how I'm about to ship this Seamoss order. So let's do it. So firstly, I had to buy a few things from Amazon, and the first thing that I bought was this envelope, and it is basically an envelope that is supposed to keep your whatever your item is cool. So it's a thermal envelope. Silver is not my color. However, what I will be doing is throwing the Seamoss into my gold pouch first, or should I? Because this fits in here, but obviously this is too small to fit in here. Because I want the ice to still be able to work its way and keep it cool. So maybe I can put the ice in here. I have my little mock jars in here just to see if everything was gonna fit properly. So since this order kind of took a little while because I had to get all of the materials, and then yesterday was Memorial Day, so it kind of took a little bit for me to get everything together. It took like a week, which isn't really that long because my processing time is about a week and some change, I believe. So I wanted to give my customer a sample, and I gave her a sample of my elderberry Seamoss, and she actually ordered the lime Seamoss. The second thing that I got was these ice packs. So basically what you do is you put it into water, you let the water absorb it, and then you freeze it. So I'm gonna go grab it because it's been like frozen for a few days. So let's go get it. Ice, these are the little ice pouches, and I think what I'm gonna do is cut it so that it can fit. So I'm gonna cut it across the lines. Then I have the Seamoss here, and I made a new label. My old labels, this is gonna focus. My old labels went right on the top. However, you see the condensation, and it made the labels like turn a different color. So I had to figure out how to make my labels waterproof, and I did. So here that is. When I tell y'all the struggle to get this label on, but alhamdulillah, we here. Like, I literally just bought a whole laminator, and the first time I used it, it broke. So, but I still got the label out of it because that would have been tragic if I had to wait for another laminator to come in. So here we are. I got both of her things, and she also ordered a body butter, so I'll be putting that in here as well. But we're gonna handle this first. So let me grab some scissors. Hopefully this doesn't like cause any leaks or anything, because that would kind of be terrible. But alright, so we got one pouch here, and it looks to be good. It didn't rip or anything like that, so that's great. And I think this should probably go at the bottom of this one, and then maybe another one, put the Seamoss in, and then another one at the top. But I don't know if all of that is gonna fit, so we'll see. So apparently these packs are supposed to last for 2 days while they are being shipped. So I am going to be doing priority mail so that it can ship in a timely fashion, and then she can get her product when it's still, you know, nice and cold. So let's go ahead and pop this baby in down here, and then we're gonna put the Seamoss in. All right, Wait, actually, I think I should bubble wrap this. So let me bubble wrap this first and I'll be back. I got an ice pack where my heart used to be. I'm so cold, I'm so cold. So now that we have them all wrapped up, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the envelope. Hopefully it fits okay. I wanna lay it down if possible, but it might be too wide. So I might not even be able to put it into this little pouch. I don't think I can put it in there unless I put it up, standing up, but then it won't get as much coolness if I do it that way. So this one might be a dub. I think it's too small. So I might just have to put the ice directly into this silver one. And I'm gonna put 2 pouches in at the bottom, like that, and then put the Seamoss in, and it fits nicely in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw in this other Seamoss and put our other 2 packets of ice on top. So this is what it's like right now. And then we're just gonna pop it closed. I'm gonna take off my gloves for this. I think that's everything, right? I think I should be able to close it up. And go ahead. Turn it down. All right, she's all packaged up, y'all. I'm so excited. So just for extra security, I am going to attempt to put it into this priority box. I don't know if it's gonna fit though. No, it's too big. It's too big. I think this is the biggest priority box that I have. It had fit before, but now that I put the ice in, it's too big for it. So I might have to actually go to the post office instead of buying my labels. Or I can maybe double bag it. I don't know. Once I figure it out, I'll come back. Okay, so I got it into the box. However, I still need to give her shea butter. So that's not gonna fit in here. Maybe I should have put it into this too. But that's the thing that's a little odd. Yeah, y'all, I'm not really sure. I mean, this is really sturdy though. Like, honestly, if UPS not throwing it, it should be fine. But you know, they something else. I don't know if I should use a different carrier or what, but once I figure it out, I'll come back to y'all. But this is basically how I packaged it. Yo, I'm exhausted. I had to double bag it, and now it's in here. Oh my gosh, that took so much strength because they're the same size. So I had to really squeeze this thing in. But it's in. There's a little bit of space at the bottom, but I'm not too worried about that. I went ahead and put her butter in here, and I put the thank you cards, my business cards, and my notes in here. And I'm about to print out the invoice and then put that in here as well. And I'll just pop that right here at the top of the package and then close her up Obviously this shipment is mad expensive. This is one thing that I did learn from this, is that if I'm going to ship Seamoss, I need the pricing of the shipping to kind of be compensated for it, because right now my shipping is $5 and this shipping is $10.80 with UPS and $11.70 with USPS. So that's a bit higher than what my shipping normally is. So I think what I'm going to do is in my Shopify have it compensate for when you buy Seamoss, and it's going to be a certain amount, and maybe I'll do it by the ounce, and that'll be the pricing for the shipping, because this baby is pretty heavy, so it's reasonable and understandable why the shipping is so high. However, USPS, I thought priority was 2 days, but apparently it says 3 days on there, and UPS ground says 2 business days, and I need it to be to her in 2 business days. So I might have to do UPS ground, but I don't know where UPS is, so I have to search that up. I have a USPS pretty close to me, but that's neither here nor there. The package is secured, and I'm going to print out the shipping label and get going. It's currently 4:34, so if I do USPS, I really got to get out of here because they close at 5. So thank you for packing this order with me. Let's move on. Okay, it's ready. All right, so y'all, this is the package. She is ready to go. It is pretty heavy. I decided to go with USPS, so I'm gonna head over there in a few. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed. Be sure to comment down below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. So appreciative of you all your love, comments, and just like I love talking to y'all. So comment down below and talk to me back. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.